Hi, the last video was about going on a listening walk and listening to environmental sounds. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sound bottles and how to play with them. Actually, this is a simple activity. You just need a few empty plastic bottles and some objects or materials to put in the bottles that can make sound. Come, let's begin. These are the empty containers for making sound bottles. I also have different items to put in the bottles. As you can see, I have rice, pasta, pebbles, plastic bottle lids, and small pencils. Lakshmi opened the bottle number 1, filled rice in it, and then closed the lid properly. You can encourage your child to help you make the sound bottles. It is better to fill half the bottle or less to make clear sound when you shake it. You can put tape around the lids to seal the containers properly. Now the sound bottles are ready and it's time to play. Once the sound bottles are ready, let your child free play with them to get familiar with these different sounds. After a couple of days, you can introduce sound bottle game. I usually write numbers on these bottles to make children familiar with the numerals in their play environment. You can use the same bottles when your child is learning to recognize numerals or learning to put numbers in order. Once the bottles are ready, you can play the listening game. You can either put the bottles inside a bag like this, or you can hide the bottles behind a cushion like this. And you can shake the bottles one at a time and ask your child, what do you hear? If your child is still learning to speak, or if you want to play the sound game in a different way, you can make 2 sets of sound bottles. And I can show you how we play this. Hide the sound bottles behind a cushion or inside a bag and shake one bottle at a time, and your child needs to match the sound like this.